सिर्फ 1 साल पहले मैं एक रेस्टोरेंट पे जॉब करता था। वो जॉब था बर्तन धोना। आई वॉज ब्रोक, आई हेटेड माई जॉब, आई वॉन्टेड टू क्विट, बट मेरे पास दूसरी ऑप्शन नहीं थी। अब मैं अपने रूम में बैठकर दिन के 4 घंटे काम करता हूँ एंड लास्ट मंथ आई मेड 6 लाख जस्ट वर्किंग फॉर माई लैपटॉप। मैं ये सब तुम्हें शो ऑफ और फ्लेक्स करने के लिए नहीं बता रहा हूँ। आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस बिकॉज जब मैं वो रेस्टोरेंट पे जॉब करता था, आई हैड बिग गोल्स। आई यूज्ड टू वॉच मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस ऑल डे, आई यूज्ड टू वॉच बिजनेस वीडियोस, फाइनेंस वीडियोस, टेड टॉक्स, आई यूज्ड टू वॉच एवरीथिंग। मुझे ये सब पता था, बट जब काम करने की वक्त आता था, व्हेन आई हैड टू टेक एक्शन, I felt lazy and I did nothing. I watched Netflix and movies all day, I played games all day and just wasted my time. I was all theory and no action. So from my personal experience, here are 3 things that I learned that took me from working at a shit job to making my first online income. Number 1, you are not lazy, you are just confused. You are not lazy, you are just confused. Now, let me give you a personal example. मैं तुम्हें अपना example देता हूँ। जब मैं गेम खेलता था, चाहे वो GTA 5 हो या PUBG, वो सब गेम में फ्री स्किन मिलता है, तुम लोगों को पता है। तो to get that skin, I used to play the games for hours. I used to grind for hours just to get that skin. And you know what's surprising? A lot of those skins, I didn't even like it. But because I wanted to add it to my collection, I just grinded for hours and hours just to get that skin. मैं खेल खेल के थक चुका होता था। I did not enjoy grinding for hours just playing the same missions. But I used to play that game just to get that skin. Why do you think I was doing that? I was doing that because I knew, मुझे पता था कि अगर मैं grind करूँगा, अगर मैं 5-6 घंटे खेल लूँगा, तो मुझे वो skin मिल जाएगा। I knew that. मेरे दिमाग में I was 100% sure. And because I was sure, because मुझे पता था कि वो skin मिलेगा, guarantee मिलेगा, तो मैं खेल लेता था 4-5 घंटे। And so imagine this. What if I told you that if you do 100 push-ups every day for the rest of the year, if you do 100 push-ups for 365 days, I will give you a $1 million. Would you do it? Yes, you would do it. I mean, I would do it. If someone gave me $1 million for doing 100 push-ups every day, I would definitely do it. I would be so motivated. I would be so happy. I would happily do 100 push-ups. पर वो सेम एनर्जी, वो सेम खुशी मुझे अपनी साइड हसल में करने में नहीं आ रहा था। क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे अपने आप पर विश्वास ही नहीं था। अगर मैं 1 साल पूरा मेहनत करूं, तो क्या गारंटी है कि मुझे $1 मिलियन मिलेगा? क्या गारंटी है कि मेरा साइड हसल सक्सेसफुल होगा? तो बिकॉज आई हैड दिस कन्फ्यूजन, आई हैड दिस डाउट इन द बैक ऑफ माई हेड, my body was telling me that don't do this, don't do this. मेरा दिमाग which was full of doubt मुझे क्या बता रहा था कि ये मत करना, क्योंकि ये it will just be a waste of time. So I was just being lazy because I had no guarantee. I did not believe in myself. अगर तुम्हें पता होता कि तुम 1 साल पूरा मेहनत करोगे, तुम 2 साल पूरा मेहनत करोगे, तो तुम्हारा बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा, तो तुम काम करते कि नहीं करते? Of course you will work. Of course you will work. But because you don't know if you work for 1 year straight, you don't know your business will be successful, so you don't do the work. If you knew, if you 100% knew that your business would be successful if you put in the work, of course you would do it. So a lot of the times when we are feeling lazy, we are not lazy. We are just, our mind is just full of doubt. So what you need to do is fully believe in yourself. Okay? Once you fully believe in yourself, your doubt will be cleared and also you will stop being lazy. Number 2, start counting when it hurts. मैं जब जिम जाता हूँ तो मैं सबसे पहले पुल-अप्स करता हूँ. I love doing pull-ups. So जब मैं नए में जिम जाता था, I wanted to do at least 10 pull-ups. That was my target. But मैं 3 महीने से मैं पुल-अप का ट्रेनिंग एक्सरसाइज करता रहा, but I could not do more than 5. I simply could not do more than 5. I watched all the videos, I watched all the tips and tricks, tools and techniques, but मैं चाहे कुछ भी कर लूँ, I could not do more than 5 pull-ups. But then मैंने एक वीडियो देखा by David Goggins, I think, and he said that start counting when it hurts. तो तुम्हें जब दर्द होती है ना, then start counting, and that's what I did. जब दर्द होने लगता था, only then मैं अपने count start करता था. And then I pushed through the pain. Of course, दर्द तो होता था, but I did it anyways. I pushed through the pain. And in 1 month, I went from doing 5 pull-ups to 30. मैं 1 महीने में 5 से 30 में चला गया. And the same works when you're working in your business, your side hustle, whatever. जब तुम्हें काम करने की मन नहीं लगता ना, you need to push through the pain. तुम ये समझ जाओ कि जब तक दर्द नहीं होता, जब तक तुम्हें मन लग रहा है काम करने के लिए, that is not work. The real work begins when you don't want to work. When it feels hard, that is exactly when you need to start working. Because जब तुम motivated होते हो, जब तुम पूरा खुश होते हो काम करने के लिए, it's easy to work like that. And that is the difference between winners and losers. Losers work when they want to, winners work when they have to. It doesn't matter how you are feeling, you have to push through. और हमारा दिमाग हमारा मसल जैसा ही काम करता है. The more you push, the more pressure you put into your दिमाग, the better and more stronger it will be. So पहले में it will be hard, तुम्हें काम करने मन नहीं लगेगा, but you have to keep pushing. You have to do the work. And then eventually with time, you will get better, you will work for longer hours of time. Number 3, death by 1,000 cuts. I have a sharp scissor in my hand. This is a sharp object. जब हमारा time waste होता है तो हम क्या सोचते हैं कि ऐसे time waste होता है. If I push it in my chest, I will die. So that's how we think our time will be wasted, by this knife. And now in my hand I have a paper. And the real reason how our time is wasted is not by a scissor, not by blah. It's actually by small cuts. 1, 2, 3. So you played PUBG, you check your email, you checked your Instagram. So what we think is that we think our time is being wasted by some huge activity, when in reality it's being wasted by these little small things. Instagram reels, Netflix, little PUBG game, whatever, these little small things, talking to your friend, messaging someone, these little things, that's how you actually wasting your time. If you add these little paper cuts over 1 year, then you would be surprised by how much time you are actually wasting. So तुम्हें छोटी कामों से अपने time waste करना बंद कर दो. Stop watching movies, stop watching cricket, stop watching football. अगर रोनाल्डो मेसी जीतता है तो तुम्हें क्या पैसा मिलता है? मुझे तो नहीं मिलता. So why should I care? I don't give a fuck, man. Ronaldo does not say that I should be rich. Ronaldo does not wake up in the morning and says, you should get more money, you should get more girls. He does not say that. So why should you care? You need to focus on yourself right now. Most people, they are very careful with their money. 10 रुपए में bargaining करने लगते हैं. But when it comes to their time, they just throw it away, right? So instead of being greedy with your money, be greedy with your time. You need to be very greedy with your times, because you don't waste your time by a scissor. You waste your time by a paper cut, by these small little cuts. Right, guys, that is the end of the video. अगर तुमको पसंद आया तो hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.